Hey Lyra Tech fam! Today, we are taking a look at the Reebok Smart Ring, a fitness tracker designed for continuous health monitoring without the bulk of a smartwatch. It promises all-day insights and a discreet design for everyday wear. Check the link in the description for the best price. First up, let's dive into the core health tracking capabilities of the Reebok Smart Ring, looking at what it monitors and how it fits into your daily routine. The Reebok Smart Ring aims to be your constant health companion, tracking a range of vital signs to give you a holistic view of your well-being. From your heart to your sleep, it monitors key indicators to help you understand your body better. This ring tracks heart rate, HRV, sleep quality, blood oxygen, stress levels, and daily activity, giving you a full picture of your health. The Reebok Fitness App translates your numbers into actionable guidance for better rest, faster recovery, and more movement, all included from day one. With up to 7 days of battery life, you can focus on your progress without constantly worrying about plugging in your device. This ring is designed to be slim, lightweight, and discreet, so you can wear it 24/7 without changing out your watch or other jewelry. Overall, the Reebok Smart Ring offers a robust suite of health metrics, a convenient battery life, and a discreet design that works for all-day wear. Next, let's evaluate the practicalities of owning the Reebok Smart Ring, including its cost, subscription model, and how you get started with it. Understanding the long-term cost and initial setup is crucial for any smart device. The Reebok Smart Ring presents a clear proposition regarding its ongoing expenses, but there are a few practical considerations to note for new users. Crucially, there is no subscription needed to access all of your health insights and guided solutions, which is a major advantage over many competitors. With a price point of $249, this ring aims to offer premium wellness features at a more accessible cost compared to some other smart rings on the market. You need to order the Reebok Smart Ring size checker first to find your perfect fit, which is an extra step but ensures comfort and performance. While the core tracking features are highlighted, more specific details about the exact sensor technologies used or its water resistance ratings are not fully clear. This ring offers excellent value by eliminating subscriptions and providing competitive pricing, although the initial sizing process requires a bit more effort and some technical specs are missing. The Reebok Smart Ring stands out by delivering comprehensive health tracking and app-driven insights without the burden of ongoing subscription fees. Its discreet design and solid battery life make it a convenient option for daily wear. While the initial sizing process requires an extra step, the overall value and commitment to accessible performance are quite compelling. This ring is a strong contender if you prioritize continuous, unobtrusive health data access without hidden costs.